Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak about P. Govinda Menon. He was born on 1st of October 1908 in Trichur, Kerala. He studied at St. Thomas College, Trichur and completed his honours degree in physics from St. Joseph College, Trichy. He studied law from Law College at Madras and started his practice in trial courts and High Court of Kerala. He was elected to the Cochin State Legislature. He was representative of princely state of Cochin in the Constituent Assembly. He spoke on various issues like he spoke on the rules required to be framed if there was a vacancy in the Constituent Assembly. He believed that it was his duty and right to participate in the debates as he was the representative of the princely state of Cochin. He believed that Assembly should frame a constitution for all of the India that is equal to all states and provinces, and also expressed his desire that all Indians wanted India to be united. He spoke on the issue of the Indian states. Let's see what he spoke specifically. 13th October 1949, quote, Mr. President, sir, I rise to support the motion for incorporating Part 6A in the Constitution dealing with the Indian state, and in doing so, I wish to express before this House certain thoughts which come uppermost in my mind on this occasion. I do submit that decision to incorporate Part 6A is registering the most important event that took place, namely the complete integration of Indian states with the rest of India, unquote. So these were his views as regards the Indian states joining the India. He passed away on 23rd of March 1970. We are grateful for his contribution in making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.